To keep your travertine pavers in the best condition possible, we recommend routine cleaning and sealing, just like you would concrete pavers. Sealing travertine will put a protective coating on the surface that will stop daily dirt and grime from damaging the stone. In its natural state, travertine is very porous, which is why it's important to clean very often. There are a few things to keep in mind when you clean your travertine pavers. Although travertine is an extremely durable material, it is pretty sensitive. So be mindful of the product that you use to clean your travertine. It is not recommended to use general purpose cleaners or cleaners that contain vinegar or bleach. If you would like to clean your travertine yourself, here are some of my tips. We first recommend sweeping off the surface of the travertine with a broom to remove any dirt, leaves, or particles that may be on the surface. Then, use a simple mixture of warm water and a small amount of soap made for natural stones to gently remove any debris that is left. You can use a high-pressure water hose to clean off any excess soap and grime, but we don't recommend turning on the highest pressure as you may unintentionally harm the surface of the stone. If you want to learn more about travertine or sealing, head on over to our website at AmericanPavingDesign.com. There you can learn all about preserving your travertine patio or pool deck.